What's good? What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Urban Platform Speaks. Make sure to like and subscribe as you come into the channel, man, and check out the content. And with that being said, I'm going to talk about the situation that's going on with Gene Deal and Choke No Joke, right? Choke No Joke went on to the Piers Morgan show and really just threw Gene Deal under the bus, right? So basically, what Choke No Joke did, everything that Gene Deal has been saying on people's podcasts, as far as like him, he's seen the check that was the $1 million check that was for I think it was for Tupac's death, right? He's seen that check, and which Gene Deal said that on Doggy Diamonds, and I think he said it on his show and probably like some other show. He kept talking about that check. So Choke No Joke went on to Piers Morgan and brought that up. And I think that was a calculated attempt by Choke No Joke to throw Gene Deal under the bus and to bring and probably put Gene Deal in a situation where he's going to have to legally defend himself. Like, you know what I mean? Because they're going to want to know, like, what's the deal with this check? Did you really see this check? Did this check exist? And so Gene Deal has been trying to clean this up and saying that he didn't say that. He's changing the story. He's backpedaling. And I just thought it was funny. Like I was watching it when Choke No Joke was on there, and I was like, I did hear Gene Deal say he mentioned the checks on several occasions, but I was like, that was Gene Deal's like, why is he reporting on something that Gene Deal said? That was Gene Deal's information. And that's so I said, well, you know what? Choke No Joke is trying to throw Gene Deal under the bus because part of Choke No Joke's problem with Gene Deal is he thinks that Gene Deal was complicit, right? So if you was around when all these incidents happened and you didn't stop P. Diddy from doing some of the things that he did, like how would you know about these if you didn't see these incidents? And you was aware of these incidents that happened with P. Diddy. So, and you are you're in law enforcement, that makes you complicit. And so that's Choke No Joke. That's his whole argument with Gene Deal. And like I said, I think that this was a calculated attempt from Choke No Joke to throw Gene Deal under the bus. and so I don't know what's going to happen with Gene Deal. I think Gene Deal, I can see right now he's going on. He called who else? He called what's the guy name? He called Doggy Diamonds and tried to get Dougie Diamonds to co-sign him retracting that statement and to clear it up and say, I didn't really say that on your show. But Dougie Diamond was like, I don't remember, I'm not sure what you said. Then he went on to the what was the other show he went on? The Art of Dialogue. He went on that show and said that he didn't say that, but he didn't say what he did say. He just said, I didn't say that I seen a check, but he didn't say, for Tupac or for Biggie. So Gene Deal right now is just out there. I think Gene Deal is starting to feel the pressure. He's starting to realize that, all of that talking that he was doing about Puffy, and some of the statements that he made really do make him, complicit. And by him being complicit, he put himself in a legal situation that he may not want to be in. And so Gene Deal is he really going he trying to backpedal. And at the same time, Choke No Joke, man, it's funny because Choke No Joke is trying to, is just trying to put that pressure on him, throw him under the bus. I just, like this whole situation is interesting to me. But let me know what y'all think, man. Do y'all think that Choke No Joke was wrong for putting that information out there that Gene, it was already out there, but Choke No Joke just put it out there like on a national level on a Piers Morgan show just to I guess like to turn up that pressure on Jane Deal. it was a crazy move. But let me know, y'all think that Choke No Joke was wrong, or do y'all think that Choke No Joke is really right and thinking that Jane Deal was complicit? Like if you was there when Puff Daddy was he was allegedly abusing people and taking advantage of people, why didn't you as a law enforcement officer step in and stop this? Stop some of what you seen or what you witnessed with Puff Daddy. And so yeah, let me know what y'all think about the Jane Deal Choke No Joke situation. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will check you all out on the next video. Peace.